Guys, there we have a OPPO A17, and today I will show you how you can remove a notification or any other virus on this phone. So if you see something like that on your phone, the scam notifications, you definitely have a notification virus. You can try to remove it without an antivirus app by opening the app menu of your web browser. To open it, just hold your finger and choose App Info. Now click on the storage usage and click Manage Space. Now just click to clear all data. Be careful, now your data will be lost, every unsaved forms, passwords, etc. So we can clear it. If you still have a scam notification on your phone, I recommended you to use antivirus app from the Google Store, but remember to try to choose a trusted company. I will show you it on the Avast. Open the Avast, click Get Started. Next, skip. Continue with free and continue as free. Now just tap on the Smart Scan and allow any permissions. Go back and choose your scan. Now your Avast will scan every file on your phone and look for any viruses. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe and be safe. Goodbye.